Hello friends, I have brought you some of the statistics of the account in which I used to do the trading. Okay, this is the first slide which was taken on 16th of December, and today is 21st of December. And that day, let me show you that there a challenge which I initiated after the trading hour of 2nd of December, and the end date of that 60 days challenge is 4th of Feb 2021. So there are yet 50 days to 50 days left to complete the challenge, and only the 10 days were completed on 16th of December. So on that day, let me show you the overall profit were around 81,000. All right, the next day on 17th of December, the profit rose to 1,16,000 around. Okay, you can see here, and the days uh, are left were left on the 17th of December is 49 days. Okay, and then this is the day of 21st of December. This is the last 21st of December 2020. The number of now at this time, the number of days left are 47 days, and the total amount of profit rose to 1,88,000 around. This is the ongoing 60-day challenge which Jiroda provide just to bring fun, and just to a kind of just to calculate whether you are ending at the end a experience, just when you are ending the 60 days, whether you are ending in profit or loss. Well, these are the one more thing I'd like to show. This is a screenshot which were taken around first around second week, uh, the beginning of December is a month of around 5 week, 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, this is the when the initial only 3 days were gone of December 10 12 2020 up to 10th of December 2020. You can see the net released profit were around 3.45 lakh, and there were overall unreleased loss were around minus 39k. This unreleased means these were the holding which are carried forward. Okay, and the latest screenshot of the is this. You can see the realized profit has rose to 4.84 lakh. It is and you can see the unrealized loss is squeezed to minus 10, and this is not the loss. Okay, one more interesting thing to see in this slide is overall uh, overall this it indicates that there are some green spot and some red spot, and I actively started trading from the 21st of September, around the last week of September, last or second last week of September, and since then I have been making good amount of profit. All these green spots are mint in which profit has been booked, and all the red spot indicate that the loss were booked on those days. In the end, if your portfolio indicates you are finishing with green, I think you stand Fine. Okay. So these were the statistics. Yeah. Yes. Hello friends, our this video is meant for the people who used to invest in Indian stock market, and I'd like to give some view of my own experience in this regard, and would like to bring some statistics of the account. Well, you have already seen that Indian stock, what happened today. The market has fallen just like a falling knife, and when it was just rising, it was looking like it will not stop, and sky will be less for it. It happens after, and even after a certain period of time. Market involve risk, everybody knows. Even those people who stay away from the this field, they also know that Indian stock market involve high risk, and the people who indulge in the stock market, they knew when they come they have some dream of making many folds amount of money. They used to calculate that in one day with a margin of 1 rupees or 2 rupees, if they invest like that much amount of money, then they can build huge money. But what happened after a period of time? They felt that they have already lost their principal amount, a large amount of from the principal amount, and when they lost some amount of money, then they started waiting that when they will get back, and for that they lost more money. You cannot make money in stock market unless you give your time, unless you, there is no point of investment, no point of putting your money, hard-earned money in a stock market without investing your time and knowledge. Acquire knowledge, take time, do research, and don't follow anybody, even me. Okay, I won't be available at all the time. Yeah. Well, I'll not take much time. In short, I would say that don't panic. Always keep one thing in mind. Warren Buffett has said, "Be greedy when others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy." Market was already showing its green journey. It was going one-sided. In my Harshad Mehta video, I said many times that don't follow market blindly. Don't believe on anything blindly. Market is always manipulated by big fish, and you will not able to control it when it will fall, when it will be rising against you. It's the you see, there are some properties of metal, of atom, like everything in this world. So this is the property of market. You cannot control it when it goes against you. What you can do, you can make the strategy, you can put effort to save your principal amount. You cannot make the money unless you save your principal amount. First, try to save your principal amount. Do whatever you want to do. I have some experience. I have been through around last 2.5 years. I have been preparing. I have been making many strategies, and though I was not investing money, yes, I am openly saying that I was not investing money. I invest money. I put my money when I was sure. Well, there is nothing a word like sure in Indian stock market. Let me correct it. But even though I can reduce the amount of risk, you can, not I, but everybody should reduce the amount of risk. Once you reduce the risk, then you will able to make the profit. And this is a very serious matter. Most people usually lose the hard-earned money. I have seen it. So don't follow blindly over the YouTube channel, over the TV channel, what they say. Everybody was saying in morning that Reliance is gonna make new high and it is going to touch 2050 within 1 or 2 days. Yes, it will touch. But when it will touch, before that, it will cut your pocket. What happened after the after the 12 o'clock? The market were falling like falling knife. Okay, and when the market were already around -3% down. The media, all the TV channel, they started saying the market has fallen, now sell. It happens always. Don't follow. Okay, you can view, you can follow anybody, but just to get some knowledge, just to be updated. But don't put your money over the saying of anybody else. Unless you do your homework, you will never be able to generate profit consistently. I have shown you my trading account, the account in which there are some green spot of 2.5 months, and the 60 days challenge of last 14 days. You can see the overall profit is around 1,88,000 in last 13 days. Including today, the profit is booked in the account is 72,000 around. I'd say that 70,000 around profit. Even the market was so volatile. This can happen only if you have strategies. If you don't have, and keep also one thing in mind, that when you invest your money for the profit, there is 70% of probability. Although there are various ways to invest and there is numerous ways of strategy. You don't need to go on 1,000 ways of strategy, butterfly, strangle, whatever. Just try to find out a single strategy and work over it. This will work for you, and it has worked for me, and I'm stuck with. I am not changing my strategies. I have worked over a single strategy. Okay. Now the video is getting longer and longer, and I cannot conclude each and every word and all the knowledge of mine in single video, and it will be futile to expect to bring all the content in single video. So wait for the next video, and if I get good response in this video, I'll try to bring more videos in this topic. And I have also shown some statistics in detail of the account